Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis X tutorial how to create text border. As example, I will create text. You can click this text tool and I will create in here. So you can set the text name like Mufasuket. Click OK to apply. And if you want to set the text border, we can use the filter tools. Click yes to rasterize this text object. And then we can use the stroke tools to set the border. We can change the width in here. And you can change the color at this point. Like I will set into blue color or green color. And now you also can set for anti-alias and for width at this point. If you're done, you can click OK to set this text border. Okay, that's it for a basic Ibis X tutorial, how to set text border. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.